In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up bookable products. So if you want to sell products that customers can book in your store, for you to do that, you navigate to the store management section and select catalog. In the catalog page, you select products. So here we are going to create a new product. So to do that, we click on the add button. So in the create product page, you see that we have the option to choose the type of product we want to sell. So here we're going to select bookable service, and then we'll proceed to add the product name. So we call this demo booking. So this should be the actual name of your product. For the description, we say this is a demo bookable service, right? So we call this the meta tag title. We put the title as demo booking. So we leave the meta tag description and keyword as it is optional. So in the data section, we add a model number. So we add the model number as 20. This should be a unique number for this product. So for the price, we set the price as 400. So my store is currently using the US dollar. So this means that the price is $400. So we enable the status. We set the sort order number as 5. And then in the next section, which is the booking section, so this is where we are going to set up the product booking settings. So for the booking type, we are going to set up an appointment booking product. So we go ahead and select appointment booking as the type. For the booking validity, start date and end dates, which is this section, we add today as the start date, and then for the end date we select August 10. So note that once the date is no longer valid, note that customers will no longer be able to book this product. So you need to be mindful of the date you set for the select to date option. That's for this option. So once we have set the validity, booking validity date range, we go ahead and enable the status here. Enter a location. This should be the details of your office address or the location where the customers can access the service. So for this example, I just add test address. All right. So you can enable this to show the address in using Google Map if you want to do that. So you can enable this option to do that. So once you have added your address and set up the map feature, here we'll now proceed to set up the booking slots. So to get this, for this example, we are going to use the same slot for all the days of the week. So we select yes. All right. So here we'll now enter the slot information. For the first one, we can say from 10 a.m. So this is 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's 12 noon. This is for the first slot that customers can book. For the second slot, we say from 1 p.m. So this is p.m. in 13. So 13 means 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. That's 15. So this is for the second slot. So let's say we are only going to have the 2 slots. So the next thing we do after adding the slot information is we add the product image here. So we select an existing image, right? All right, so after adding the product image, we add the category. All right, so once we have added the category, we can leave all these other sections as it is optional. So we scroll up and save. All right, so now we have created the bookable product. This is actually a service anyway, so but it's a product. So we've created it. We go ahead and check to be sure that everything we set up has been saved. So you see that it has all been saved. So let's go ahead and save again. All right, so now that we have created the bookable service, the next thing we do is we go ahead and check it in the storefront end. To do that, we click on this option here. All right, so you can see that this is the new product that we just created. So let's go ahead and select it. All right, click on the view details button. So you can see that in the product details page, the amount, this is the amount per booking here. So let's say we want to book the service. Remember that this is an appointment booking type. So let's say we want to place a booking for this service. You can see the location that we added here. So to book this service, we click on the book now button. So this will show us the booking calendar here. And you can see the slot information that we had set up earlier. So the slot available, this number here is the product quantity. So product quantity represents the slots available per slot. So for example, you can see here we have 100 slots. That's what it means here. And then you can see we have 2 available time that the customer can choose. So for this example, let's say we choose the second option here. We tick this. So once we tick it, we proceed to click on the confirm booking. Before we click that, we have to be sure of the dates. So let's say we want this service for, let's say Friday, select 21st. Now that we have selected the slot, you can see that it says 1 slot was selected. So we will now proceed to click on the confirm booking here. Make sure that you selected the slot, right? And then we click on the confirm booking. All right. So we'll now proceed to check out. So we select the payment method here. Then we proceed to confirm the order. All right, so we make the payment. All right, so now that we've made the payment, you can see that the order has been placed. So once the customer makes a booking in the storefront, as the admin user, for you to manage the customer's booking, we navigate back to the admin panel, and then in the store management section, we select sales. So in the sales page, you can see that we have an option here called bookings. So we go ahead and click on it. So in the bookings window, you can see it shows us the different types of bookings. So for this example, the customer made an appointment booking. So we go ahead and click on appointment. So here you can see that the product that we created, the bookable service product that we created has been added here. And for us to view the bookings for this product, we go ahead and click on view bookings button here. All right. So in this section, you can now see the booking that was just made by the customer, and you can see the time. That's the slot. The customer picked on the 21st. That's 21st, and time is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. still on the 21st. So here we can proceed to either contact the customer or we can cancel the booking. So note that in addition to viewing this in this view, we can also view it in the calendar view by clicking on the calendar view button here. So if you click on this view, you can see in real time as customers are placing booking for the dates, you can see that the status will change. So for example, for the 21st, it says it's partially booked. So that's why the color of the dates has changed to a light green color. So if it is fully booked, you see it will change to red. That's for this date. So we can also view other dates and filter by year using any of these options here. So clicking on the more information will take us to the list page where we can actually see the bookings made by the customers. So for us to view the order that was made to place this booking, we go to the store management section and select sales. So in the sales page, we select orders. So here you can see the order that was placed. So we go ahead and click on the view button here. So you can see that under the products, you see that the booking details was also added here as well. As you can see, the slot duration, the booking slots information as well here. So note that in addition to managing customer bookings, you can also adjust the booking settings for the store using the product booking manager. So to access the product booking manager module, we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select modules. So in here, we'll select the selling products category here. And then we search for the product booking manager, as you can see the module here. So we go ahead and click on the edit button. So the product booking manager allows us to adjust the settings for booking for the store. So we can adjust, let's say, the time zone that is used for booking here. We can also disable the booking feature for the store using this by disabling the status here. We can adjust the booking dates formats. We can also allow customers to cancel booking. We can allow admin to manually approve customer cancellation requests using all these options. We can also change the color scheme for the booking calendar using these options. So in addition to these settings, we can also set up the email notification settings for bookings in the mail section. Yep. So let's say once a customer makes a new booking, this is the email that will be sent to the customer. So note that the emails, we can add shortcodes. As you can see, the shortcodes here that have been added to the email template. So if a customer cancels a booking, this is the email that will be sent to the customer. So you can adjust any of these settings. You can also adjust the email templates. And once you adjust and save, this will affect how booking works in your store. So in the information section, this will show you the list of shortcodes that you can use when setting up the booking email templates. All right. So in this video, I've shown you how to create bookable products, how to process customer bookings, and how to set up the product booking manager module. Thank you for watching.